commercials usually show big men.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Latah County and the Panhandle of Idaho until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Moscow, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Troy, Deary, Harvard, Helmer, and Joel. This includes yourself. Highway 95 in Idaho between mile markers 334 and 335, and between mile markers 339 and 341.